Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, April 9th, and this is my recap of the top viewed videos of the day. And the Euro US dollar came in number one today, so I'm going to do a quick recap. If you'd like to see my full top down analysis on the Euro dollar, make sure you check out the video linked at the end of this video from this morning over here. So anyways, we did have a pretty good little pump and dump today on the euro dollar. Now the important thing for me is that it really hasn't broken structure yet. Now for me this is also kind of important because this is three waves up right here technically. It definitely is a trend followed by a correction followed by another trend. Now I've been saying for a while that it looks like this could be a 1, 2, 3, and I still think it could be a 1, 2, 3. We have CPI inflation data tomorrow for the US dollar. What I hope actually happens is that this actually does continue down, maybe to one of these Fibonacci levels between today and tomorrow, and it makes a nice impulsive engulfing move to the upside, which would help prove that this really is a wave 3 and that we are really in that big uptrend. But like I said, these three waves up does kind of make you wonder. It even could turn into like a 3-3-5 pattern, which would lead to 5 waves down, or a 3-3-3, which would be a WXY, which would lead to 3 waves down also. So either a 5 down or 3 down is definitely very possible also. So we're going to have to see what this actually looks like prior to the news tomorrow, and we definitely will reevaluate it at that time. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel linked in the corner down here, and don't forget to check out my membership program that gives you access to the daily live trading sessions and my swing trade setups at my website fxpipcollector.com. As always, thank you and happy trading.